This is my actual phone, the Redmi Note 7. It's pretty old and I'm going to soonly upgrade to a Realme C55. So to say goodbye to this phone, I'm going to do a video comparing some sample photos from the Redmi Note 7, the Realme U1, the Oppo A12 and the Realme C2, which are the phones that look most like the Redmi Note 7.
Okay, I have these four images for four phones. Let's start with my phone, the Redmi Note 7. Let's zoom in over here. With a 400 zoom up here, you can see it is not pretty clear, but you can say some things like that logo and other lots of things. And the image quality is pretty good. Okay, the Realme U1. Okay, I don't think I downloaded the correct image. So let's move on to the phone, which is Oppo A12. Over here, I took the images from a sample image website. It's for the Oppo A12, which is not pretty good. If I do a 400 zoom, it is not the best quality. And 600 zoom is, you can tell more by letting me know. Okay, and the last one, the Realme C2. When adjusting its 50% means it has a quality. You can say, let's go over here. You can say that you can't say that this is bronze just if you do this, but it's a solid camera. But that is very good. Wait a second, why did a Realme holder appear? Oh, it's the one I'm going to buy. Look at this quality. Look at this. You can say a lot of things by this image. So beautiful. I like it. Let's see this one. Very beautiful. I love it. Look at the flower. Zoom in more and 5,000 zoom is quality. 5,000% zoom. Which is a 100 times. Let's see here the number 2. And still say it's a number 2. Cannot say now that it. Now let's see the rocks. It's grass. This grass. Can't say it's grass. This rock. Say it's a rock. A bit around. It's impressive. It's an impressive camera. It's impressive camera quality. If you liked this video, subscribe for more videos like this and comment what you want for the next video. See you!